In today's video, we are in Pattaya, Thailand, checking into the 5-star Mytt Hotel. Positioned as one of the more modern luxury options in the city, the hotel promises stylish rooms, strong facilities, and an elevated experience just moments from the beach. But, as always, we are here to find out whether it actually delivers, or if it's all style and no substance. If you're new around here, welcome. My name's Jordan, and I make videos about luxury travel experiences from around the world. So, if that sounds like your kind of content, make sure to hit subscribe. Now, let's get into today's video. Let's start with the arrival, because this is where things didn't exactly go to plan. The front office experience was, honestly, pretty poor. There was a noticeable lack of warmth, very little sense of hospitality, and overall, it just felt disorganized and unpolished, which is not what you expect when arriving at a 5-star hotel. First impressions matter, and unfortunately, this one set the bar quite low. That said, once you move past the check-in experience, the property itself does start to redeem things slightly. The design is modern, clean, and well put together, definitely leaning toward that contemporary luxury feel. For this day, I booked the junior suite, and straight away the room itself was actually a pleasant surprise. It's spacious, well laid out, and has a clean modern design that feels comfortable without trying too hard. The bed was great, there's a nice desk area, and overall it's a very livable space, whether you're here for a short stay or something longer. It doesn't necessarily blow you away with uniqueness, but it delivers exactly what you want from a suite at this level: space, comfort, and functionality. The balcony is a welcome touch, but edges on the smaller side. Now, this is where the hotel really shines. The rooftop pool is genuinely beautiful, especially around sunset. You get this golden light over the city, a relaxed atmosphere, and it actually feels like a proper escape from the chaos of Pattaya below. It's easily one of the standout features of the property. One area the hotel does very well, the gym. It is huge. There's a really solid range of equipment here, from free weights to machines and cardio. Easily one of the better hotel gyms I've seen in Pattaya. If you're someone who likes to keep up your routine while traveling, this definitely ticks the box. Slightly random detail, but they were serving Budweiser. Not a deal breaker, just an interesting touch. One thing to note, during my stay, the hotel had limited in-house dining options due to refurbishment. So, if you're expecting a full luxury dining experience on site, that's something to be aware of. They actually outsource all of the current menus using the Chinese restaurant next door. With that said, reviews are very positive and the food did look tasty. The breakfast selection was pretty strong and catered for both Western and Asian taste buds. There's definitely something for everyone. Overall, this is a bit of a mixed experience. The biggest issue here is the front office. For a hotel positioning itself as 5-star, that first interaction really needs serious improvement. However, once you get past that, the hotel itself is actually pretty solid. It's not a flawless luxury experience, but it's definitely not a bad one either. If they can fix the service at the front desk, this place could easily feel far more premium. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one where we check out the brand new Samsara Hotel.